is it? Isn't it delicious? You get no tomatoes? Joey. Joey. Are you ready to come out? Can you come out and play? Oh, Ziggy, like that? Oh, it's so soft. So soft.
This is my hand now. I hate working at that store. Steve just bosses me around. The only good thing is that
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I am actually doing my first giveaway. Woo! Alright guys, so it's June, and according to the academic calendar, that means that our agenda books are finished, or they should be running out. So you should be getting ready for a new schedule, okay? So I just love my schedulers and agenda books from Target. We just got new ones, my boyfriend and I. And these were online exclusive only, so they are not actually in the Target stores. So as you can see here, beautiful cover. I usually don't go for super bright colors like this, but I decided to branch out of my comfort zone and pick something that makes me happy just from looking at it. There are a ton of planners out there, schedulers, and there's really nice one for teachers. But if you just want a basic, use for every day, it doesn't have to be related to school or anything, I highly recommend the ones from Target just because they are affordable and they are nice. They go a long way. So I'll show you the one I'm giving away in a moment. I'm going to explain the one I got. This is by Cambridge. They make really nice journals, spiral journals in general, and they've become a little classier over time in my opinion. But I've had their journals before and I've had their schedulers before. But this one is a little bit different because it's just so colorful. As you can see here, it has all the tabs for the months. I love that they're different colors, so it kind of keeps things very exciting. And as you see, this one goes for the whole academic school year, 2021 through 22. Let me just show you how it looks like. Now the reason why I picked this one is because I liked the color boxes that they provided when there is a special holiday or event, which is different for me. Usually they just have, you know, what the holiday is and that's it. And here is the breakdown of the weekly calendar. Normally this right here, all the calendar days would be split into 2 pages, and they would give you just a very big section for notes or, you know, whatever you want to write down. But here they section it off in separate spots. So one whole section for notes, and there's a to-do list as well as reminders. I like the style because there are checklists right here. So it's easy and convenient to separate those things, but still see everything on, you know, a page. So that's how the schedule looks like. It's very colorful. It's a lot of fun. And the cover itself is protected, as you can see there. So it's not going to get dirty, and if it does get dirty, you can simply wipe it off and just, you know, it'll be brand new again. So this one again is from Mead by Cambridge. And the spirals, I realized there's no issue with it at all. It doesn't like come out loosely or anything like that. It's very sturdy. And I'm excited to use this one. And the version or schedule you will be getting for my viewers, all you have to do is drop a comment down below in the video just explaining how excited you are about schedulers, or do you like to plan or like to use an agenda book. That's all you have to do. And I will select a random winner, and I will actually ship this or give it to you for free. This one right here is a trustworthy brand that I've used for many, many years, especially my college years. This is by Blue Sky. It's a very beautiful planner. It has like, it looks like waves. It's an aqua kind of color here. It's very refreshing. This one has a frosted cover, as you can see. Different from the one I just showed you. That one had more of like a screen, a paper protector. This one is more plastic, but it's frosted and it's beautiful. All right, so let's go take a deep look at this one. Again, this one was only exclusively sold on Target's website, so we actually did not find this in the actual store. But it's a beautiful design. These are little gold numbers here. All right, so very similar to the other journal, it does have tabs for all the months. And here is the look at the monthly calendar. So this one is more plain, and if you don't like anything that, you know, too colorful or too in your face, this is very perfect. It has these little lines here to show you a holiday or a special event, and this is their weekly page. And this is what I was talking to you about earlier. This is normally how agenda books come, or calendars come. They just give you a very big space for each day of that week, and you make your own notes, your own checklist, whatever you want. But still, you can see everything on a page. I also realized for this specific brand and agenda book, they have a huge section here with notes. And there are about, I want to say, 30 pages worth of notes. So you can jot down any thoughts, anything you want here, all in one place, which is pretty amazing. These journals or agenda books from last time or last year, they don't give you this many pages just for notes. So that's pretty exciting, actually. So if you like the 2-in-1 kind of thing where, you know, you don't want to write in several journals or something, this would actually be great for you. So again, I am giving this one away to anyone who comments down below on my video. I will randomly select you and I will contact you so that you can get your new academic calendar for the 2021 through 22 school year, or just in general, just that year. Okay, so maybe you are a teacher, maybe you're still a student, maybe you're planning to go back to school. Whatever it is, I think someone should have this. So please make sure you comment down below and I will contact you within a week to let you know who won this planner.